The Cliff Notes version is that I've always been incredibly interested in probably all things that pertain to the law, whether it be history, social sciences, politics, the law itself. For whatever reason, from a very early age, that always appealed to me. So I think that was always a lane that I found myself going down. But in particular, one of my family members, an uncle, was a very prominent lawyer in my small town in South Georgia, and I was very close with my family, very close with my uncle in particular. Well, my uncle that I mentioned earlier was definitely a mentor and remains a mentor to this day. Every time I go home to my hometown, I think he becomes, whether he wants to be or not, a bit of a sounding board for whatever I've got going on. But there have been others. A gentleman by the name of Tom Phillips, who unfortunately passed away many years ago. He was a small town practitioner, much like what we are, in Milledgeville, Georgia, which is where I went to college and received my undergraduate degree. And I worked for him for several months prior to going to law school. And he was a wonderful gentleman, treated me incredibly well. A gentleman that I represented in a very contested divorce case many years ago, we were able to win custody on his behalf of his, at that time, young son. And he contacted me probably a year or maybe two ago, and just to let me know that things had gone incredibly well. His son was graduating from, I guess, boot camp with the Marine Corps, and he was going to be serving our country and had become a decorated member of the United States Marine Corps. And he attributed a lot of that success in that child's life, to what we helped accomplish, and that was incredibly rewarding to me.